everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for Earth sign Taurus for the month of June. So this is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So let's see your recent past. Taurus, your recent past. Okay, so let's see. Six of Swords, Four of Pentacles, Justice. I think one person in this connection is stubborn, not expressing their feelings. I think it is it could be long distance relationship. One person live in one country, another person. Justice, your person could be Libra. Definitely there is reconciliation. It's already happened in past, or it is going to be happen. So let's see what is going on your connection right now. The Fool, Empress, Chariot. Wow, definitely your love life is going to be next level. There is a new beginning. The Fool, your person want to take risk and want a brand new beginning with you. I think it is you stand by your power when your person is not expressing their feelings. Then he realized your worth, then he want to offer their love to you and want a brand new beginning with you. And Chariot, there is a moment definitely. So let's pull some cards. The near future actions towards you. Taurus, your person, near future actions towards you. Wow, Wheel of Fortune, High Priestess. Lot of readings got High Priestess card. Initiation, Seven of Swords. Things wheel turning in your favor. Definitely your person want to make a move towards you, and I think your person trust their intuition and listens to their intuition. That's why he is coming towards you after leaving this sneaky energy. In past he could not express his feelings and acting like sneaky. Definitely he leave this sneaky energy behind and want to come towards you, because High Priestess, definitely I think in recent times your person listen to their intuition. That's why Wheel of Fortune is here. Definitely things are turning in your favor, Taurus. So let's pull some cards from universe. Wow, Six of Wands. Okay. Knight of Wands. Lot of fire energy. Your person could be Aries, Leo, Sag, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Lot of air energy is also here. It could be any sign, but particularly the cards. Eight of Pentacles and the last card for the reading. Eight of Cups. Definitely in past there is separation, I already told you. Definitely, so there is a reconciliation is going to be happen. If it is not happen right now, your person want to work on this relationship very seriously and want to come towards you very fast. He wants success with you. Definitely he want a brand new beginning with you, success with you. He want you in their life. Definitely a long-term commitment is coming in your way, Taurus. Things are getting better. So separation is going to be end. Reconciliation, for those who waiting for reconciliation, definitely it will be happen. So this is the reading for you, Taurus. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.